am Matthew Daby. I am 13 years old, and I am the youngest drag racing driver in Guyana. This is the Junior Dragster. It is a billet engine that is 660cc. The car is designed to go 7 seconds down the 8th mile, and the car should run 11 to 12 seconds down the quarter mile. My passion for racing is because I really just grew up around a lot of racing cars and drag racing especially. My plan is to eventually either upgrade the car or inherit one of my father's cars and begin to drive those. Before to see what little boys do big men. I want a super rider. Happiness, happy and the hard, God I got.